The name Spyker probably hasn't been sitting front and center in your brain for quite some time now. Allow the new C8 Preliator XXV to change that. Spyker, the Dutch supercar maker, has returned to the spotlight, and its latest creation was recently unveiled in Monterey. Dubbed the C8 Preliator XXV, Spyker calls this all-new model. We think it's more of a reworked version of the prior C8 Preliator. Regardless, this new one certainly sounds like it packs quite a punch. Spyker continues to invoke its aviation heritage. There are NACA ducts all over the car. Those wheels take design inspiration from propellers. Out back, the taillights look like jet afterburners while the center shark fin on the roof blends the line between airplane and motorsport. Of course, the specific spec on this model sits as a statement all on its own. That green hue is called quail green and features specks of rose gold flakes in the paint. All the bright work gets a rose gold treatment as well. Spyker says buyers can opt for a standard aluminum finish or go as wild as they'd like. And how can you not go wild on a car like this? A Spyker should be a polarizing statement piece. There's more rose gold found inside, even on the exposed manual shift linkage. That's right, you still get a proper manual gearbox in this latest Spyker. Power arrives courtesy of a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine sourced from Audi. Here it's good for 789 horsepower and 739 pound-feet of torque. Spyker claims a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The jaunt from 0 to 60 miles per hour is over in under 3 seconds. These are proper supercar figures in a car that wears the term well. Still, Spyker also claims the C8 Preliator XXV is all new. There's likely been some healthy reworking of a past C8 chassis, but the formula appears to otherwise be the same. Old school, hand-built bodywork paired with steampunk-grade cabin spaces in a vehicle that would work as both a hero and a villain car. There will be just 25 examples built. Rumor has it that this one here would cost you $1.6 million to put in your garage. But Spyker says the C8 Preliator XXV is just the start of fresh things to come. The automaker says next up will be restarting the stillborn D8 peaking to Paris super SUV and then getting back into GT3 level motorsport. Hopefully enough people buy the C8 Preliator XXV to make those words a reality.